Okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to look at a new topic, which is unit rate. So unit rate is finding the price for one. And so these are going to be really small decimal numbers. So with unit rate, the only operation that we do is divide. So we're going to take our amount of 197. That's going to go on the inside. And then the 2 is going to go on the outside. We know what is the price if we were to get 1 liter of Coke. So we're going to divide decimal. So we're going to move our decimal up since our 2 is not a decimal. 2 cannot go into 1, so we're going to add a 0. 2 is going to go into 19 9 times. Subtract, we get 1. We're going to bring down our 7. 2 will go into 17 8 times. Subtract, we get 1. So we're going to go out 3 decimal places. 0, bring it down. 2 will go into 5 times. Okay, so our unit rate at Kroger is 0.985. Now we're going to look at the one at Albertsons. It's 3 liters for $2.93. So we have 2.93 on the inside, the 3 on the outside. We're going to divide. So there's 3's on a decimal, so move our decimal straight up. 3 cannot go into 2. 3 can go into 29 9 times, which is 27. Subtract, we get 2. Bring down our 3. 3 will go into 23 7 times. 3, we get 2. We got 3 places. Oops, sorry. And then 3 will go into 21 6 times, which is 18. And then we're going to stop here. So the unit rate for Albertsons is 0.976. And so what they're wanting us to do is wants to know, decide what store is offering a lower unit rate for that product. And so our lower unit rate is going to be Albertsons, because it's a smaller number. Okay, you can't just look at it and say, oh, that's $1.97, that's $2.93, so $1.97 is the cheapest. You have to find its unit rate by dividing. Okay, so we're going to do 2 more examples on the back. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. This is looking at cereal. So we'll take our money amount on the inside, ounces on the outside. So we'll move our decimal up since 14 is not a decimal. 14 can't go into 4, but it is going to go into 46. Let's see. It's going to go in there 3 times, which is 42. 14 will go into 41 2 times, which is 28. Add a 0, bring it down because we're going to go 3 places. 14 is going to go into 130. Nine times, which is 126, and then we'll stop there. So we get 0.329. Do the same thing for the one at Walmart. So the money is going to go on the inside. The ounces are going to go on the outside. So 21 can't go into 6, but it can go into 27, or 6, not 27, 63, or 67 3 times, which is going to be 63. 21 is going to go into 45 2 times. Add our 0, bring it down, because if you notice, we've got the same number. So that's why we're going to keep going out until we find that one number where it makes it different. 21 cannot go into 10, so that's going to be 0. And then we'll stop there because it's enough to see which one's the cheapest. So 0.320. So again, we're looking for the cheapest price for the unit rate, and so that's going to be Walmart. It's 0.320. Okay, so on your homework, you're going to be finding the unit rate, and then on the other page on the back side, it's going to be looking for the better buy. So you're still doing the same thing, you're just looking for the cheapest price.